Super simple, yet very, very tasty watermelon mango salsa. We're adding 1 whole mango to half of a baby watermelon that I've cut up into pieces. To that, we're going to be adding 1/4 of a chopped red onion. This is 1/4 cup of cilantro I've chopped up. And if you're one of those people who thinks cilantro tastes like soap, well, you could either leave this out, or if you still want that kind of green coloring, you can add some parsley. A little bit of salt. This is 1 whole jalapeno. Now I've taken the seeds out and that white membrane. Last touch is a little bit of lime juice. Let this sit in the fridge for about 4 hours. Put this out for a party, a little chip plate. I put a bowl on it because this is a little bit more than your regular salsa. Some chips. Look at that, little watermelon, little mango, little red onion, jalapenos, and there's a little cilantro there too.